Hi, I'm getting ready to do an art project with one of my favorite shapes. What do you think that is? I'll give you a hint. It has no straight sides. That's right, it's a circle. Now I went around my house and I found a few different things that will help me draw a circle. This cup, that would work, right? Could draw a circle with that. And this is a yogurt container. That would help me draw a circle. Could do it that way, or I could do it that way. And this is, some raspberry sour Altoids. That sounds pretty good. And this one, I can do this. I can hold it down there. So now, before we go on with our art project, I just want to remind you that I like to put a cloth down to protect the table. And this is my art cloth that I have used for many, many years. It's seen so many art projects. But this is a new one. We have never done this one before. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it upside down. And I use my helper hand to hold it down. And now I'm not going to start up here. I'm going to come all the way over here and start way down there. Go all the way around. And now I have to lift my hand up. Keep going. Oh, that's a nice circle. Let's try this one. Hold it down. Do I start up here? No. Come all the way around. That's the tricky part. Go all the way around. And then lift up your hand a little bit. Oh, nice. Now let's try this one. Hold it down with your helper hand. All the way here. Lift it up. There we go. Wow, those are nice circles. Now I'm going to draw some more circles on different paper, and I'll be back in just a minute. So I cut out a lot of my circles, but I have a few more to do. And now that, I'm a grown-up, and so I'm going to use these grown-up scissors. But when I was little, I used to use these scissors, something like this. And when I was first learning how to cut, I kind of got a little confused, and sometimes I would hold my scissors like this, and sometimes I would try to cut like this and like this. But you know what my mom said? My mom said, "Little Margie, now whenever you're using scissors, remember, thumb to the sun." And that means your thumb goes on top, because that's where the sun is, right? So now, I always remember thumb to the sun. And I hope that maybe that'll help you too. So let me finish cutting out these circles. Now I like to have a little box that I can use to put my scrap paper in. But you know what I noticed? What shape is that? Looks like a triangle. And there's one. Oh, I think I'm going to save these. Maybe I'll use them for another art project someday. Okay, one more to go. Thumb to the sun. Nice big circle. Okay, now look at all these circles. Wow, that's a lot of circles, Miss Margie. And now we're ready to go on to the next part. And the next part, we have to cut our circles into equal parts. So let's get started with that. Here I have one circle. And now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to fold it in half. Make a nice strong line. And now I'm going to use my scissors to cut that in half. I have two pieces and they're the same. and they're the same as, that means they're equal. So now I have 1 of 2 equal parts, 2 of 2 equal parts, and that equals 1 whole circle. All right, let's go on. Here's another circle. I'm going to fold it, make that strong line. Two equal parts, but I'm going to go on to the next step. I'm going to fold it again. Now I'm going to cut up some of my circles into 2 equal parts. I'm going to cut some of them up into 4 equal parts. And I'm going to cut some of them up into 8 equal parts. So I'll see you in a little while. Well, I did a lot of cutting. I have some of my circles, they're whole circles. Some are cut into 2 equal parts. Some are cut into 4 equal parts, and some are cut into 8 equal parts. And if you want a super challenge, you could try the next step and make 1 more fold and 1 more cut. So how many equal parts do you think you'll have then? You can find out.